Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about changing the new tab page in the Mozilla Firefox browser to Google search. Then I'll show you how to make the modification settings. And now in earlier versions of Firefox, there used to be a configuration settings within preferences. So you can actually modify to change your URL. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar, ay kailangan lang natin i-copy and paste tong link na to. And then ilalagay ko to sa description box para mas madaling mahanap. So copy lang natin yan. And then paste lang natin dito sa searching address bar. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then madadirect tayo dito sa Firefox browser add-ons. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay dito lang sa gitna makita mo dito yung new tab override. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong add to Firefox. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa right side ay pop-up ito mga kaibigan yung permissions. In the next step ay click mo lang tong add. And then new tab override was added. And then click mo lang tong okay. So makikita mo dito yung new tab settings mga kaibigan. Right? So ang next step, i-click mo lang itong new tab settings. And then makikita mo dito mga kaibigan yung settings, options, and then yung custom URL. And then dito naman sa gitna ay makita mo dito yung URL. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Google URL. So type lang natin www.google.com. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then dito sa right side ay makita mo dito yung request additional permissions. I-click mo lang ito araw. Okay, so ang next step, so open tayo ng another tab para makita natin na na-change na ito sa Google search. So press mo lang yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+T. And then makita mo dito mga kaibigan na automatic na Google search na yung new tab page. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change new tab page to Google and Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.